Hi, my name is Tracy Chen, and my project is about perceptual confidence, which is subjective feeling of how sure we are that we perceived something accurately. It generally co-varies with performance and has been found to be higher in noisy situation conditions at the same performance levels. Also, peripheral vision is noisier than the central vision. Past research has shown that people are more easily to get overconfidence in noisy conditions. That is the peripheral vision here. Also, visual accuracy and response time varies depending on the stimulus visual field locations, even at the same distance from the center of the visual field. So here we can see from this graph, the black line means the at matched performance levels, and vertical meridian, which is closer to the center of the visual field, has worse performance, while left and right horizontal meridian, which is further, has best performance. And this is known as polar angle symmetry. Previous research has tested many on one polar angle, and we want to look at various here. Previously, we tested horizontal and vertical meridian, and we found many amazing results. For my Europe project, we conducted a further study to test the intercardinal locations, that is the red 4 point here. They should have intermediate performance and very similar to each other. So we are asking at matched performance levels, does the relationship between confidence and performance vary at intercardinal locations? To do this, we designed a two alternative first choice luminance comparison test. On each trial, participants report which flickering patch is brighter on average, and their confidence level from 1 not confident to 4 very confident. And we have two locations that is closer to the center of the visual field, known as periphovia region, and the peripheral one. And we also have two directions, upper left, lower right, and upper right, lower left. For the patches, we also have 7 different luminance things, and we use it as an x-axis here that is called relative luminance difference. And from this graph, we can see that central vision has higher accuracy than the peripheral one. If we have larger relative luminance difference, we will have larger performance and also larger confidence. We use this to plot the third one and transform it into the relative area under the curve graph. The taller bar here means more confidence for the same matched performance range. So the peripheral one, which is the darker bars, has slightly higher means than the center one, which is the lighter bars. So we made the conclusion that higher accuracy for the stimuli presented closer to the peripheral, and participants show higher confidence for the peripheral stimuli, even with equal performance suggesting subjective inflation, and there's no apparent performance differences across intercardinal locations. And that's all. Thank you.